Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Marg ERP Solutions. Today in this video I will show you about how to feed ledger opening balance of particular ledger in Marg software. Firstly, go to Masters option, and then go to Opening Balances option, and then go to Ledger Openings option. An opening balances as on window will appear with the ledger list, and then select the desired ledger to enter the opening balance, then press enter on it. An opening balance window will appear, in which user will enter the amount. An opening outstanding window will appear. The user will mention the details like bill number, due days, remark as per the requirement, and then keep pressing enter and click on save to save the outstanding balances. In this way the user can enter the opening balance in the party ledger. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.